Hello guys, review of Samsung Galaxy A03 Core. This version 2GB memory and 32GB internal memory. Open box look completion. In completion we have adapter for charging and micro USB cable. That's all completion. Okay. Turn on device made of plastic. On the back side camera LED. On the front side display 6.5 inch PLS matrix. Open Geekbench 5. Talk about system information. We have CPU Unisoc Spreadtrum SC9863A, PowerVR G8322, this GPU, resolution display PPA, and look results. Single core score and multi-core score, okay. Look onto the benchmark results. Okay, good results, close this. And run the money game Minecraft. Look how this game works on the device. Game loaded. Okay, game load and works good on the low graphic level. Okay, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.